Day 6 or 7, I can't remember. Just left the hotel. First bridge of the day. I'm just walking now. I prefer to walk first thing if I can, for about a mile or so, as long as it's not uphill. Just gets my legs working. Everything here is designed for cyclists. Can you see on the side here, look, even the railings have got bikes on. Sunday morning, so there's not much traffic. I'm not expecting to see much traffic today. I think most of the way is cycle paths. And then I end up in Daegu City, and I'm there for tonight and tomorrow night, so I get a day off in Daegu. So I need to get some foreign currency and just have a day's rest. Actually, the way I'm feeling, I'm thinking I will be able to go on. I'll see. This is really cheap digs what I've got here, so it's about 10 or 15, no, about £15 a night. So I don't really know what to expect, but if it's really bad, I'll probably just go on tomorrow. But there is rain forecast tomorrow, so I think maybe a storm after this hot weather. I think it was 28 yesterday. I've got a feeling we're going to reach 30 today, because it's only just after 9, and it's nice at the moment, it's pleasant, but I just feel it's going to get hotter later. Oh, speedboat. With a skier. Lovely. About the railing, it's just the wrong height, isn't it? Taking histamines for the last hay fever tablets for the last 5. This will be the 5th day. I didn't think it would affect me. It seems to have. I don't know whether to stop taking them or not. I'm okay now, so I'm wondering if it might be time to stop. I think I've got another 5 in my bag, tablets. I can always buy some more. They're readily available, but I find that once you start taking them, you have to keep taking them. So I'm going to try and wean myself off. I think I might miss tomorrow, and it's raining, and then see what I'm like on Tuesday. Well, I suspect by today, or end of today, I think I'll be over halfway to just over. No, I'll be over halfway looking at the map. It's a bit windy, the road onwards to Busan, but which does cut the miles up, but I'm hoping I can do it in 3 days. So that will be Tuesday, Wednesday, so I should arrive Thursday, but I might be able to get there earlier actually. I'll see how they go. Depends what the obstacles await. It's flat, so there's no climbing as such. But it's just sometimes it's navigation issues. I'll probably do an early start Tuesday, and then when I say early I mean 8 o'clock, and see where that gets me at the end of the day. If I'm not in Busan centre on Thursday, I'll most certainly be on the outskirts. So Wednesday, sorry. I might be able to do it by Wednesday, so two days. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. I'm just walking, enjoying the walk. Thank
Beautiful.
you.
We're very lucky, aren't we?
We are.
Enjoy the rest of your ride.
Thank you. Two ladies cycling. Traffic's picking up now. It's nice not having to worry about accommodation. It's already booked, so I've just got to find it. Not always easy, actually. Also, another thing is, some of them aren't manned, you know, or womaned. You get there and there's nobody at reception, it's just a phone number. I had that trouble last night. Lovely motel though. Anyway, so I got on the phone, took ages for someone to answer. And then when they did, they spoke Korean obviously and didn't speak English. So what are you doing in those circumstances? I kept saying I'm at reception, can I have a room in reception? And eventually someone said okay, quite stern. So it was a female voice. I was thinking, oh right, it's going to be interesting. So I just hung up and waited, and then up she came. Or down, yeah, she came up in the lift, because it was a lift to the 3rd floor to get to the hotel. And she was all smiles, she was on fine. 50,000 won, it's about the going rate, it's about 30 quid. But they do vary, and some I've paid 40 for. In fact, interestingly, the ones that look the scruffiest tend to do, like the scruffiest one I had, looking from the outside, had the wonderful view from my room across the river, and I paid 40. 50's about right.
though.
Yeah, I know.